In the pursuit of financial success, the significance of daily routines and habits cannot be overstated. The choices we make from the moment we wake up can either propel us toward our financial goals or hinder our progress. In this exploration, we delve into a video that unveils 7 transformative productivity hacks derived from years of entrepreneurial experience. These hacks not only promise to improve your daily life, but also have the potential to open doors to financial success with the possibility of earning up to $20,000 per month. These invaluable insights will empower you to harness the full potential of your daily routines and elevate your path to financial prosperity. The daily habits and success. Many individuals aspire to achieve their first $1 million, but daily routines and habits can either propel them forward or hinder their progress. It's crucial to understand that seemingly insignificant actions can accumulate over time and significantly impact your productivity and pursuit of financial success. The video discusses various daily habits and their influence on productivity and financial goals. The morning social media trap. The video highlights a common morning routine, waking up and immediately scrolling through social media platforms like TikTok for an extended period. This habit not only consumes valuable time, but also sets a precedent for the rest of the day. Starting the day with passive content consumption can make it challenging to transition into a more focused and productive mindset. The importance of establishing constructive morning routines to optimize productivity and work toward financial success is emphasized. To the 7 productivity hacks. The video introduces 7 productivity hacks to help individuals work more efficiently and progress toward their financial goals. These hacks are based on the content creator's decade-long experience as an entrepreneur. The first hack involves using a tool called Unhooked to minimize distractions on YouTube and focus on intentional education. It's essential to view YouTube as entertainment, reserving intentional learning for specific needs. Planning your day. The second productivity hack emphasizes the importance of planning the day the night before. This simple practice involves setting clear intentions by listing 3 to 5 essential tasks that need to be accomplished. Planning ahead can enhance focus and ensure that your time is allocated efficiently, regardless of whether you're an early riser or prefer a different schedule. Dressing for success. The video suggests that dressing appropriately for your daily activities can impact your mindset and productivity. While dressing the part may vary depending on your profession and work environment, maintaining a consistent and practical wardrobe can help establish a routine and a focused mindset, especially when working from home. In conclusion, these 7 productivity hacks offer valuable insights into optimizing one's daily routine and achieving personal and financial success. These hacks, drawn from the content creator's extensive entrepreneurial experience, provide a roadmap to work more efficiently and effectively. To realize the potential of these productivity hacks in terms of income generation, it's crucial to apply them consistently and with purpose. By incorporating intentional education into your daily routine through platforms like YouTube, you can acquire valuable knowledge and skills for personal and professional growth. This learning should be targeted to address specific areas of improvement in your career or business. Additionally, planning your day the night before and adopting a simplified morning routine can significantly enhance your productivity. These practices reduce decision fatigue and allow you to focus on high-impact tasks. By incorporating these habits into your life, you can make substantial progress in your endeavors. Regarding earning up to $20,000 per month using these productivity hacks, it's essential to understand that the hacks themselves are tools for personal development and efficiency. While they can certainly contribute to your success, the actual income you generate will depend on various factors, including your industry, skills, and the value you bring to the market. These hacks can help you allocate more time and energy toward income-generating activities, such as building a business, freelancing, or investing, ultimately increasing your potential to reach the desired income level. However, financial success also requires dedication, innovation, and adaptability in your chosen field. Meal prepping. The 4th productivity hack advises meal prepping at the beginning of the week and having the same meals each day. This approach simplifies food choices and treats meals primarily as fuel, reducing the time and energy spent on deciding what to eat daily. It allows for more consistency and streamlines your nutrition. Deleting distractions. The 5th productivity hack recommends deleting apps such as TikTok unless they have a direct correlation with your work. Social media platforms like TikTok can be significant distractions, diverting your attention from more productive tasks. The video suggests muting accounts on Instagram to reduce noise and focus on essential updates. Creating a simple morning routine. Hack number 6 encourages the development of a straightforward 3-step morning routine. This routine should be easy to follow and tailored to your preferences, whether it involves journaling, exercise, or other activities. The key is to strike a balance between starting the day with intention and not overcomplicating the process. Waking up at your own time. The video emphasizes that waking up early is not a universal requirement for success. The timing of your wake up should align with your work or personal commitments. It challenges the notion that early risers are more successful and suggests that the most important factor is making the most of your waking hours, regardless of when they begin. Minimizing decision fatigue. If a final productivity hack encourages laying out your clothes the night before, this practice can significantly reduce decision fatigue in the morning, making your routine smoother and more efficient. It is especially helpful if you are someone who struggles with making choices early in the day. In conclusion, the video offers practical advice for optimizing daily habits to work more productively and efficiently toward financial success. It stresses the importance of intentionality, simplification, and consistency in various aspects of life, from work routines and clothing choices to nutrition and app usage. By implementing these productivity hacks, individuals can better manage their time and focus on tasks that align with their goals. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming updates.